So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how you can restore and backup your SMS messages from your smartphone. Now this thing is done through an external application here and let's look at the steps that you need to take. So let's begin. So first things first, I'm using an Android powered smartphone. I need to head to the Play Store and download something that is called as SMS Backup and Restore. So once I do that, I get to see this app. Let me install this. So we'll wait for the app to get installed. So the app has been installed. Now let's try and see how it can help us in restoring our SMSs. So it's a pretty light app and here you can see that it's asking for certain permissions. So okay, let's go ahead and allow it the permissions. So permission for phone calls, messages, that obviously is needed. Now it straight away goes and checks into the messages and lets us know that our messages, 1651 messages are unprotected and likewise 2000 calls. So we can start up with taking a backup. In case you already have a Google Drive backup, you don't need to do this. You can directly go to more options and click on restore, and from any of your those places wherein you may have a backup, you can take a restore. Since I don't have a backup presently with me, let me go ahead and set up a backup. And I will set a backup of only my SMSs, not my call logs. Click on next. I will want to do it with my Google Drive. They will ask me to log in because I'm not logged in yet. So this is my same Google account. So I'll just log in here, give full access to my Google Drive account so that it can then access my drive and everything. So inside my drive, if I see, then they will see all these things which are there. So this folder can be used. So now let me go ahead and save this. So it's already configured my Google Drive and this is where our messages would get stored. So let's click on next. I want to have a backup which is of daily nature. So I will do that. Maybe you can have one which is weekly or hourly. So let's do a weekly backup, not an issue. So let me click on backup now and you can see all my 1651 messages are getting backed up and it's getting uploaded to Google Drive as well. Now it's complete, the backup is complete. Please understand that this is a separate app. This is a SMS backup and restore app, not your default messages app. So when you try to restore from this, it will get restored onto this app and you can later make your messages your default app. I click on this little grid here, click on restore. Once I do that, you will see I have an option of restoring. It would restore to the SMS thing, right? So we are selecting from this the backup thing which we did just now. So when I click on restore, it will tell me that okay, we are temporarily switching to the default SMS app in order to restore your messages. You can later on make messages your default messaging app again. So it's okay. We'll click on okay. So they want to make SMS backup and restore a default app as of now, so set as default, and there you can see. So 1651 messages are getting restored. So the restore has been completed and we have all of the messages restored onto this SMS backup and restore app. So it tells me that presently your messaging app is not the default app, so you need to make your messaging app default app. Okay, we do that and we'll make messages app default app now again. So there you go. So hopefully this tutorial will help you in restoring your messages. In case you are wondering how you can restore messages without taking a backup, well, like I said, you should have something there. Many people will have Google Drive backups. In that case, you can always restore using those Google Drive backups. In case you have nothing, then Dr. Phone is a wonderful application to do that. Really restoring SMS messages is a pretty important thing and that's why I made this tutorial. Hopefully you will like this, subscribe to our channel and share this content with your friends. Looking forward to seeing you again. Thank you so much. God bless. Goodbye.